Stop looking at what people are wearing. Stop comparing yourself with people. So many people are what? Scam. You know what is scam? Scam. So many people are what? Scam. Whatever you have, you are supposed to be content with whatever you have. That's what the Bible said. If you are not better, work on yourself to be better. Some people have ruined a lot of people with their advices. People that are giving you strange advices, wrong advices, when it comes, you will not see them. Some of them will come back and say, they don't know that it will come out like this, so they don't know this type of thing will happen. They don't know it will go this way. My sister, I didn't know it will happen like this, so please start praying. Right now, you need prayer. They will not help you to pray. People are what? Selfish. So many people are what? Selfish. I am the one telling you. If you like, you take it. If you like, you don't take it. People are what? Selfish. God has given everybody conscience that whatever you do, you know what you're doing. When you do the right thing, you know you're doing the right thing. When you do the wrong thing, you know you're doing the wrong thing. Stop doing something that when they tell you to do it, you do it, and they will start clapping at you. When it backfires, that clap, you will not see it. You better know the right thing and do the right thing, no matter what you see. Stop being in competition with people. Some things that you see, they are what? Scam. Be yourself. God loves you when you don't pretend. When you be yourself, tell him, show him who you are, and he will help you to become better. When you compare yourself to people, you see somebody that has how many mansions, you want to be like that person. Do you know what the person is doing? Do you know how long it took the person for the person to have such a thing? You better be yourself. And some people will be looking at me and say, every time she's shining, do you know what I go through? You don't know what I go through. I manage myself. So many times I go through pains. I talk to myself and work it out. God helping me, I will become strong. Stop competing yourself with people. Be yourself. The little you can do it. If you drink garri today, work harder so that you will not drink garri tomorrow. I'm the one telling you. If you like it, yeah. If you like it, don't hear. Advice. All of us will know what is good for ourselves. But anybody that calls yourself a friend and is giving you a bad advice, run away from them, because when the repercussion comes, it is only you that will bear it. Nobody will help you to bear your repercussions. It is you that will take the consequences, and you'll be carrying it. What some people tell you, like I said before, they will tell you to continue praying. My sister, my brother, just have in mind, nobody is perfect. Nobody is the best. All of us, we are human beings. Everybody has whatever that is worrying her. Everybody has weakness and strength. Everybody has one thing, one way or the other, or one thing or the other that he or she needs to amend. Nobody is perfect. It's only God that is perfect. And sometimes there are some things you don't need to tell people. You need to go to God in prayer for God to help you. Because when you say it, sometimes some people that have left this world, it might be what their mouths brought. It might be what what their mouth costs. Might be what they put themselves into. You just need to encourage yourself. You just need to talk to yourself. You just need to endure. You just need to pray to God. Search things. Ask questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? Anybody that can tell you, fine. If they don't tell you, don't get annoyed. Continue moving. One day, God will send a helper to you. Stay blessed.